Hello and welcome back to Santee RC. Today we're going to share our fourth, I'm not going to say final, I'm just going to say fourth, mini crawler. And today I went with something I really think I needed from the beginning to run as a comparison for all the other vehicles we've gotten who are considered knockoffs or cheap one-ofs. So I got us a deadbolt. SCX24 DEADBOLT. Stock, I'll probably keep it stock for a little while, just so I'm running stock against other stock vehicles. But this wheelbase says kind of the granddaddy of all the other vehicles. I can't disagree. So let's get it unboxed, see what we got. Now I will say one thing, when I got this one, it was already unbolted in the package below it. So I opened it and made sure it was okay, and it more or less was. It never been open instead of security seals taped. But it did have one of the screws knocked out of the bar, which I was able to put back in. I found it in the box. So it's all good. We have a deadbolt. Our instruction book again. Nice instruction book. Like some packets, some tools, some drive shafts, some AA batteries for the receiver. Nice little storage tray if you want to keep it in there. Battery charger and receiver. So I like the sound of peeling off plastic off something. It's nice to do. Nice controller. All the options you'd expect on one. Drop nuts. It also has the caliper with the brake pads on the inside. So it's not painted. I don't know why they don't paint them. It pops when they paint them. Body off of here. Nice little body. Open frame. Tilts back. Nice little battery. Milliamp, 20C, lays flat across the frame here. Transmitter, receiver, ESC in one up here with all the labeling on the side. We have an auxiliary still available, so we can add some more lights to it. Battery hook up there. I'm just going to bring the camera up close so we get a little better shots of it. Here's the body. Looks good. Stickers in there. Got a little fuel cell in the back. That's a little driver. Spin this around so you can read it. Oh, sorry, got it right first time. Brake, LED, got 3 LED plugs. Auxiliary plug. Steering is being used. And of course the throttle's built in. Got the AS1 servo, so a lot of people suggest you change pretty quickly or just wait till it burns up and change it. I do like the way it's the standard servo arm on it. Some of the pieces people tend to usually replace with brass would be the diff covers, front and back. The wheels, they tend to put some heavier wheels on it. Maybe wheel weights that would actually go right inside there, so you don't have to replace the wheels at all if you don't want to. But I'm real excited about getting this one on the course. Once I get it ready, it's real close. Get some footage of all 4 of them running the course. See who can make what lines. Again, the battery. Very small. One thing I do like about this transmitter, it does have a 3-speed setting. It's got a low, medium, high on it. So if you have somebody young playing with it, you put it on low speed so they won't wreck it as easy. Medium, high. You know what you're trying to do with it. Of course, in the middle it has a drag brake, so you just left throttle or stop on a hill. So you have breakdowns. There we go. Here are breakdowns of the parts. It's real nice to have, real easy to figure out what you have and what you want to upgrade, how much work it is to upgrade a piece. You want to try to upgrade it yourself. Parts for these vehicles are extremely plentiful. But unfortunately, I'll have to get a battery charge to do this one, and it's getting to rain outside again. So that's why I really need to get that indoor course built so we can run on some type of schedule without always having to rely on the sun to let us go play. So I'll get a battery in this. Hopefully on our next one we'll have a little video of all of them running, at least a couple of them running. Well, once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. The subscribes help, and the shares really help. We're a small channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.